How to send money in Cash App without debit card. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can send money in Cash App without debit card. In order to send money on your Cash App without debit card, what you need to do is make sure that you have already linked your bank account to your Cash App, or that you must have a reasonable fund into your Cash App account. So basically, what you need to do is you'll need to log in first of all. After that, click on the home icon located right at the bottom. As soon as you do this, it's gonna take you to the banking page where you need to click on Add Cash, which is right on top. On the other page, you need to click on Cash Out since you're making a transaction. So now what you need to do is you need to enter in the amount that you wish to send it to the recipient. So type in the amount and then click on the add button. Next page, you'll be asked to enter in the recipient details. That includes entering either the phone number or in Cash App ID. After that, you'll be asked to select from where you actually want to make a transaction, either from your bank account or from your Cash App account or from your Cash App balance. So you need to select either one of these options. That is how you can make a transaction on your Cash App without debit card. So that is basically how you can send money in your Cash App account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.